how are you doing? You are about to watch my first video of a new series where I will be taking you behind the scenes as I build a new project from the ground up, and I will be using Go as programming language for the backend. Yes, I am building a social messaging platform that puts privacy first. I already talked about this project on my LinkedIn profile. Maybe you were not following, but don't worry. I call this app Moon, and it has end-to-end encryption built in from day one. What does that mean? Your conversations are your own. Nobody, even me, the creator, can't read them. Okay, it will be a conversation between you and I, so let me introduce myself. I am Josue, and I am a full stack software engineer based in Mexico. What I do, I build software. This is what I am sharing with you in this video. Well, now let's dive in quickly in the core features you will find on Moon. I can divide them in 4 groups to make it short. First, the end-to-end encryption that I talk about. For that, I use the Signal protocol, the gold standard for secure messaging. It's a very good and reliable protocol. This is why I use it. So instead of building my own, why not using a tool that is already available and tested by many devs, even users? So I don't reinvent the wheel. That's a basic rule of software development, right? What that feature helps us to do is that users' messages are secured with forward secrecy, breaking recovery, and deniability. Second, we have a phone-based authentication. I use OTP for verification, so you don't have to worry about passwords. Plus, your phone number is never stored in plain text. That's a very important feature. Also, when you are connecting with people, you will be using a username instead of giving them your phone number. I think that's a very big plus for the platform, right? The third feature I want to mention here is invite-only system. To ensure controlled growth and a trusted community, I make Moon an invite-only platform. Let me explain you that very quickly and how it works. The platform will have a first user who will be me, obviously, and I will have unlimited code, like invite code, to share to my closest people, and each person will have 5 invites so that they can invite 5 other people to join the platform. That will help to control the growth of the platform, and you can even see who invite whom thanks to the tree feature that will be available. Also, that will help us to have an algorithm for the friend recommendation. I think that's a very important feature you will find on Moon. And lastly, I want to talk about the real-time everything feature. The app is built with WebSocket, guys, meaning you will get a truly real-time experience, including instant messaging and typing indicators. Now, I will talk about the tech stack I am using to develop Moon. I am building Moon with a modern, scalable, and efficient stack. For the backend, as I said, I am using Golang, my favorite programming language so far, which is fantastic for developing high-performance concurrent applications. For the database, I am using PostgreSQL, and for caching and real-time messaging, I have integrated Redis. The API is built using GORM, I don't know if I can call it like that, as ORM, and I am using a popular Go library for the WebSocket server, and authentication is handled by JWT, JSON Web Tokens, right? Maybe you know about it. It's very popular. And of course, the encryption is a custom implementation of the Signal protocol in Go. The idea is not to come up with the next WhatsApp or something, but to improve my skills as I am building a complete and more sophisticated project. Okay, this is an open source project, and I'd love for you to get involved. You can check out the code on GitHub, it's public, and you will see all the instructions in a README file. And I use Docker, so you can install Docker in your computer, you run it all the instructions are there. So I think I'm talking too much for a first video. I will stay here. If you have questions, if you have recommendations, this is the first video of a series. I want to build something in public. Maybe you can drop a comment in the comment section below so that I can take your idea into account and maybe to improve, or in the future I can add that in my roadmap to integrate your idea as a new feature in this new amazing project. Thank you so much. It was Josue and I will see you in the next video.